Good morning. Better late than never, I suppose. We have, in this little box, we have lots of garlic. We should have planted this back in November? October, November to make sure it had a good start. But we are late. It is December, and we're going to get it in the ground anyway. So first thing we thought, since it's pretty cold outside, is we're going to separate all the bulbs in here. I'm going to start on it while my lovely wife works on making our breakfast. And I'm going to separate these cloves out, and we'll try to get these planted today. This is from Stark Brothers. These are Italian late garlic bulbs, and we're going to get these separated and ready to plant. So just put the husk or this papery material off to the side, and we'll compost that. We're going to separate out as many of the individual cloves as we can. What you doing there?
Cutting the dead flowers off.
Dead flowers?
Yes.
There's some zinnias that I'm going to save the seeds from?
Yeah, they're been frozen, so it's either get their seeds in here or let them go all over the place. A lot of them already have gone all over the place.
True.
They were beautiful.
We've still got all these beds to redo over the winter and get them ready for next season.
Yep.
But right now, we're going to work on this bed. While she's doing that, and then she can come help me, is we're planting the garlic in this prepared bed right here. So I've got plenty of space, and this bed's ready to go. This guy's in good shape.
Got a dibbler out?
I have two Hori knives. So I'm going to use the Hori knives and make some small indentions in the soil there, 4 to 6 inches, and just plop the seeds in there, the right direction, root side down.
There you go.
Just like so, and just like so, and then we'll cover them up. Technical difficulties there. So just a hole with the Hori knife, get those down in the soil, and cover them up. These are 30-inch beds. I've only got 3 water lines in it right now. I'm trying to debate if I want to put another one on the outside right there, but we'll see how many garlics we have. So also plant them about 6 inches deep, and these lines, the water emitters are 6 inches apart, so that pretty much spaces them out for me. So just use the Hori knife close to one of those holes, get in the soil, and then plant.
A whole bunch of holes, I can do the rest of it.
Yep, when you get done pulling your seed, your deadhead in your plants over there, the flowers, then we can do that. Cover those guys up. So this soil is from our compost and looks pretty good right now. It's got some composted, it has some composted, what is it called? It is called mushroom compost. So we have mushroom compost. It's also composted with horse manure, and then the composted wood chips. So this bed has already been prepped and ready to go. That's why we're using it today. So who says you don't garden in the winter?
Depends on if you have frozen ground or not.
That's true, but without frozen ground, there are some things that need to be planted. After this, we may be planting or working on getting our other winter things like cabbage and stuff planted as well. So, but right now, let's get the garlic done and move on from there.
Okay.